No, I want to go higher.
Why are you coming here? Reach over.
Who, me?
I am. No, you want to stay over there. You come over here.
I don't know. I'm making my way.
No.
My own way.
Do you have more rice?
Do you have one of these?
Oh, ask, I don't think I have it. Bong, where's Cheryl? Diane. Hello, I'm right here.
Excuse me?
I'm right now. I think I need 2 plates. This is too small.
Everything look yummy. That look yummy.
Say right here.
I love cat food. I'm sorry, but cat food is bomb.
Yeah, that's
I feel like it's made with more love and annoyance.
Yes.
Because you gotta do a lot of shit.
not only that, a lot of comments.
Everybody looking like, are you done?
Don't come this way. This week over.
We go where? I'm skinny. Skinny my food.
Hey, where your crab at? Where your
food not
crab?
skinny
What
either.
crab? These are your crab.
No, that extra.
Just eat it.
Hey, don't
Don't ask.
Don't just eat.
Don't ask. Just eat it.
It's good.
Then you need someone to buy you the hat. Perfect.
I told you the other hat is too big.
No, bring the whole thing. Oh, you do?
I think I'll put too much this weekend.
She is wrong. No,
Get how old are
all of them are.
maybe in there?
I had to cross the boundary. No, okay, I forgot. That is yeah, exactly. Without no boundary. I had to like cross that. Okay, where the shot at?
Yeah.
Your twin sister.
Yeah. I get a song.